Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking, Clean and Everything Between. Today I will start the video wishing you and your family a merry and bright Christmas. So let's celebrate with a warm cup of hot cocoa. In this video, I will show you how easy and budget-friendly it is to have a hot chocolate station. This video is Christmas inspired, but you can definitely change the decoration and have a hot chocolate station for the whole season. So I went to my local dollar store, I got some things, some candy, some hot cocoa, some glassware, some spoons. And because I want to keep my hot cocoa station budget friendly, my goal was to keep the cost under $20. And I did it! It might just be a Christmas miracle. And of course, you can always add things that you already have to make a beautiful and well-decorated station. Here I'm using some glassware that I already had. I probably got this either at Target or at the dollar store. I'm just filling them up with some candy. For the spoons, I just had finished a jar of jelly and this was perfect for them. So there it is. So you can use anything that you have at your house, even things that you're going to throw it away, they come into use. Here I'm using a cup and I'm gonna prop my chocolate pretzels. Just like so. On my next cup, I will add some candy cane. And here are the containers that I got at the dollar store. They're awesome because they come with a lid. You can use these containers for anything around the house. You can put in the bathroom with cotton balls, anything you really want. And they're awesome. They're very strong, and like I said, they come with a cover, so that is awesome for $1. In this video, I'm using them for my hot chocolate, for my marshmallow, and some chocolate. But we are going to jazz them up a little bit so they're nice and cute for Christmas. Now, at my dollar store, they have these containers in a couple sizes and styles, so I chose 2 styles and one is a different, completely different size and style, and the other 2 are the same. So because my hot chocolate station is Christmas inspired, I went ahead and I jazzed up my containers a little bit. I pick up a bag of these super cute peel and stick snowflakes, and they came on a pack of 8, so that is awesome for $1. I add to the top of the lid of the containers, but you can add to the container if you like. It's completely up to you. Again, super cute. Now I'm gonna add a red and white ribbon to my containers to make Christmassy. And again, this is completely optional. I just think it's Christmas time. Let's go all in and just make things a little prettier. But you know, you can always leave your containers just plain. And you, like I said, for $1, they are awesome. You can have in your pantry for anything you like. And here they are, a DIY food storage containers. I'm using them for my marshmallow, my hot cocoa, and some chocolate. Again, you can use for anything you like, but look at them, super, super cute for literally $1. You can't go wrong with that. Let me know in the comments what you think, yay or nay. Now it's time for us to set up our hot cocoa station. And here is just it's try and error. Just put things and see where it goes where. And at the end, everything comes together. My first thought was to build my hot cocoa station at an angle, and for some reason I thought that would look prettier, and at the end it didn't come out the way I wanted it, and I thought it didn't look that well put together. So I removed everything and I kind of set up my hot cocoa station kind of spread out at my counter, and I think that looked much better. Again, let me know in the comments what you think. Setup number 1, angle. Setup number 2, spread out. And guys, don't forget to leave cookies for Santa. Now, my lovelies, after all this work, let's enjoy a nice and warm cup of hot cocoa and make this Christmas morning nice and cozy. Add some peppermint chocolate for a special touch. Some marshmallow just because. And finish with some sprinkles because the sweeter, the better. And as always, I'm so grateful to have you in my kitchen. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a Merry Christmas.